Samsung is gearing up for its next big phone launch of the year, and all eyes are on its upcoming foldable devices. Recently, leaked renders of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 emerged, showing what seemed like a minimal design evolution from the Galaxy Z Flip 6. At first glance, the changes appeared subtle, with the cover display looking nearly identical to its predecessor, which has remained largely unchanged for the past 2 years. However, a new set of renders has surfaced, hinting at a significant shift in the design of the Z Flip 7's cover display. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung is taking inspiration from Motorola's approach, making the new Z Flip look more like a Razr than any previous Samsung foldable. Up until now, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip lineup has featured a folder-style cover display with 2 camera lenses positioned just above the tapered display panel. Motorola, on the other hand, has opted for a more seamless design, integrating the camera lenses within a full-sized cover screen. The latest leaks suggest that Samsung is now following this path, potentially making the Z Flip 7's cover display larger and more immersive. One of the most notable changes in the leaked renders is the size of the cover display, which is expected to measure 4 inches. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a 3.4-inch cover screen. While a portion of the panel will still be taken up by the camera lenses, the increased screen real estate could provide a more functional and aesthetically pleasing design. The user experience may see only a marginal improvement, but this design shift signals that Samsung is ready to break from its past mold and explore new possibilities. It has been 2 years since Samsung made any meaningful upgrades to the Z Flip's cover display. With little room to innovate elsewhere in terms of design, opting for a larger outer display might have been the easiest way to refresh the lineup. If these renders prove accurate, this decision could be a response to consumer demand for a more usable outer screen, something Motorola has already capitalized on with its Razr series. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 7 in the second half of this year, likely around July or August. The new renders correct an earlier leak that initially showed a folder-style cover display similar to previous models. The revised leak now confirms the removal of the separate camera cutout, replacing it with a more seamless display that integrates the cameras into the screen itself. This shift brings the Z Flip 7 closer in design to the Motorola Razr Plus, which has been widely praised for its sleek and modern look. This new approach eliminates the distinct folder-like section for the cameras, making way for a more expansive and cohesive cover screen. The previous leak suggested a 3.6-inch display, but the updated information now points to a 4-inch screen, further enhancing the functionality of the cover display. This change could make notifications, widgets, and even app interactions much more convenient without the need to unfold the device constantly. If Samsung sticks with this new design, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could finally be on par with Motorola's flip phone. Tomorrow, it won't be long before we get a glimpse of how the new software complements the updated hardware. Whether Samsung ultimately sticks with this revised design or not, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing foldable releases of the year. As we move closer to its official launch, more leaks and confirmations are expected, and will be interesting to see if Samsung has any additional surprises in store for its next-generation flip phone. Today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.